What's wrong with you, Mr. Boy Terrible, aka the reaction boss? So back in effect with another video for you guys. If y'all don't know, I'll be live on Twitch. Go check out my Twitch. But right now, a song is from Ayetian. It's called Designa. Okay. We finna see what's going on with this song. Hold on, wait. Hit that like button, hit that follow button, you feel me? Subscribe, sub up. Let's go. Ayetian. Song is called Design. Let's go. For those who just joined, I'm doing a live reaction for my YouTube right now. So like bear with me real quick. Y'all may or may not hear the Jamaican accent come out a little bit, you feel me? You know we don't play over here. But let's go. Ayetian, Attomatic, Designa. Ready?
Hot me, I get hot in a place, and bag of diamond lock in a chain, and bag of millions lock in a saving pan.
Bro, Jamaica is too hot to be wearing that full ass with a Louis V. Just saying, but let's go.
Saving pan. Atto, making money fall, need umbrella. Bank a bar, no cheese and leather.
Fully dark, a bomb fling and fuck up the boulevard. Bitch, anytime I see me bully card. Bitch,
Y'all a bubble in a Louis jazz if you look.
Hold on, she got that full suit of Louis on, like, hold on, Louis on her body. Hold on, hold the fuck on. Let go, big shawty.
In a Louis jazz if you look up
and I see me, I make like you're looking at.
Designa look good whenever you put it on. Designa pum pum while you're carrying in your shirt.
This man just said Designa pum pum that she got in her shorts. Hold on.
Designa pum pum while you're carrying in your shorts. I'm me alone, you fi having in your thoughts. 39 good, so better listen when me talk. Ayetian on talk. Room full of shoes when you see they can't pass.
Bro, why you got so much freaking shoes, bro? Why somebody just unfollow you? Follow just to leave a comment and get off the live? That's not nice. That is not nice. I was just at 84 followers, but it's okay. Right on, though. Let's go.
Yes, I too small, no see when me want park. I know me can't believe I said it care fast.
Switch and dark up the shift. Force like a rabbit on me, dark so boomy. And nobody can talk up to me. 7.6.
This is what they be saying, yo, ass, you sound like Tommy Lee, bro. Because when they hit that deep voice right there, bro, they be saying you sound like Tommy Lee. Anytime you go to the deep voice, for those who just came back from the ad, yeah, if y'all don't want to see some ads, y'all, all y'all gotta do is subscribe. Hit that sub. If y'all got Amazon Prime, no ads, it's free. But anyways, y'all, Ayetian, I'm doing a Jamaican reaction, by the way. So Ayetian, anytime you hit that deep voice, bro, that's why they be saying you sound like Tommy Lee. You feel me? Listen, you go. They start talking about darkness. Like, come on, bro, let go.
Use car copy weird.
Cut the lights out, that bitch a while. Slap it up a panzo, back full of aisle. As a slippery slide out, coulda 30 times. She a come 30 times 4. On no back of time, you know see her for me time. No on the top of fly, she dey on the tip of climb. Bro, must see dollar kind. Money flick and dip in eye count. Antagonize, if we have to reach a night code.
Is she smoking a $100 bill?
Ayetian on talk.
That's money. Oh no, y'all too rich for me. I'm broke.
Ayetian on talk. Room full of shoes when you see the camp.
So you, if you still in life, who just follow and unfollow, that's not nice. Now follow me, stay following me, bro. We're gonna turn up. We're going up all day today, man. We're trying to hit 100 followers by the end of the day. Okay? Well, let's go.
Pass me say yes, I too small, no see where me want park. All know me can't believe I saw the care fast.
Switch and dark up the shift. Force like a rabbit on me, dark so boomy. And nobody can talk up to me. 7.6, 2 o'clock, talk up it.
4, 4, 3, or 5, them on the bitch outside. Them me know you all of them all ride with me. Say hi, Nikki, she buy me Heineken. The life will let me use the right lyrics.
That clot, hold on. Them girls are bad. These girls are dangerous. They're not normal, they're dangerous. Hold on, let go.
Say hi, Nikki, she buy me Heineken. The life will let me use the right lyrics. All of them all ride with me. Me team the band for when he sees the band for rich majestic fraudulent. Coach no so for this, it's a no tiny drip.
Bomb fling and fuck up a boulevard. Bitch,
Right.
anytime you see me pull it card. Bitch,
Girl a bubble in a Louis jazz. If you look up
when you see me, you make like you're looking. Design.
These girls are in Jamaica. These girls are in Jamaica? Where in Jamaica am I from? Because I ain't never seen these type of go-go's before in my life. Hold on. Let's go.
In a look good whenever you put it on. Designer pum pum where you carrying in your shorts. And me alone you fi having in your thoughts. 39 got so better listen when me talk.
Big up that man.
5, them want a bitch outside, them me know all of them want ride with me. Say hi Nikki, she buy me Heineken. The life we live, we use her right lyrics. All of them want ride with me. Me team the band for when it's easy, the band for rich, majestic Faji link. Coach no so for this is not tiny drip.
That is it? You done? Yeah, no? Alright, then here, Sean, big up yourself. You don't know chop already. People, it's been another video from my boy Terry Vlogs. Hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Check me out on Twitch. I'm live right now on Twitch. We're live every day, you feel me? But today is just snowing outside, so we ain't going out there. You feel me? We are not. I repeat, we are not going outside. But keep subscribing. We're on the road to 100K subscribers on YouTube. And we're on the way to 100 followers on Twitch. I just started streaming on Twitch. So go over on Twitch, go check out your boy, support Luke Jamaican. Then I'll see you on another video. But right now, Twitch, wagwan. We're back on Twitch right now. So alright.